After a brief hiatus, back here on John's 56 Bird, this family heirloom. Gonna get this baby ready to go. Carry on with our repairs, replacement, reproduction, all the above. Today, first order of business I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this master cylinder off of here because it's seen better days, and we're redoing all the brake lines and all that anyway. So I want to go through and either rebuild or replace this master. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. Just gonna undo this one banjo bolt here, and then the 4 bolts here, and of course the pedal underneath the dash. And we'll have this baby out. It cracks me up that in their day, Ford put this little drip tray directly underneath the master cylinder. I think they knew that they would eventually leak, and it would help keep flammable brake fluid off the exhaust manifold. Brilliant! Alright, here is our master cylinder. It's all pulled. It's actually in pretty nice shape. It definitely hasn't been leaking because there would be a trail here. It's just a little dirty, scuzzy, yucky. But everything's in good shape. There's the push rod. It had this little piece of rubber just like that on there, which is kind of weird. But in pretty good shape. I'll go empty this and take it apart. I think we'll just rebuild this one because it's really nice.